Hi, friends. I'm Max. Ready to guess the blue bird today? Who's that sitting on the branch? Clue 1. This bird has bright blue feathers. Clue 2. It's really loud and loves to shout. Clue 3. This bird loves big trees. It's a blue jay. Did you guess it right? Spin and chirp with the blue jay. Let's go. Bye bye, blue jay. See you next time.